Hi guys, welcome to another Blender tutorial. If you are new, subscribe. I upload Blender tutorials, 100 subscribers, let's go. Welcome to the procedural shading. We created this tree in the first tutorial. We must add some nodes to this pattern. Looks like the tiles, not just like patterns, okay? So we must add some nodes. I'm not gonna repeat what I have right here, just watch first tutorial. So basically right away, Shift A, search for the math node. Right here, converter math, and just drop this to disconnect this. Yes, wait guys, because I tried to zoom in, and we're gonna change this math to the gradient dot, and we're gonna tap the number 0 right here. Okay, as you can see. Now I'm gonna search for the mix RGB, so Shift A on the color, mix RGB, and just connect this, drop this once again, and just change this from color to the factor. And on the second color, this is the color of our tiles, just change this to white. Yes, and the second color you can change whatever color you want. Maybe I'm gonna do this kind of color, why not. Now we must add some roughness and some bump to this to looks like tiles, okay, not just like patterns. So Shift A on the converter, search for the max range or whatever it's called, and just connect this to roughness right here, and connect this gradient dot to the matte range or whatever it's called. And I'm gonna change to max the scale. Wait guys, because I tried to zoom in and my mouse is kind of bullshit. Okay, to max to 0, okay, and to minimum 0.2. And as you can see, we have some little roughness. Maybe you can't see this, but it's this like reflection. Yes, as you can see. Now wait guys, we must add the bump, of course. So Shift A, search for the bump. I'm gonna drop the bump, and I'm gonna connect normal to normal, of course. Wait guys, and basically just connect this wait guys, this color dodge to this height, okay, right here, and just connect to this bump to the height. As you can see, this tiles gets height, and it's already looks like tiles. Yes, I'm gonna create this kind of look. Yes, so basically we must change the value on the bump because this is too much. This is the distance, this is 1 meter. We're gonna change this to 0.0, maybe 7 millimeter or 70 millimeter, whatever. It's pretty nice. And just one more thing to this bump, we must add wait guys, Shift A on the color, search for the RGB curve. And what this do, we're gonna create some kind of tiles on the on the bump. So basically follows those steps. Okay, wait guys, because I try to zoom in just to show you what I'm doing. Now if I'm gonna move this, I have different kind of bump. Yes, as you can see, but you can change this right here, click right here and change this to vector handle. This gets, because this is randomness, this gets very straight kind of line. Yes, and just create a point and just drop this maybe right here, and as you can see, we created this kind of bump on the tiles. Yes, and maybe right here I'm gonna create one more thing and create this kind of stuff. As you can see, we created another stuff, and you can basically play around with this shit. And if you want some roundness, just select your point, go right here and click auto handle, and this gets roundness on our tiles. Yes, and as you can see, this already looks like tiles, but it's not finished. We must add another stuff to our tree, some randomness color on our tiles. I want to show you how you can do this. Shift A, on the texture, search for the white noise right here, copy the scale from the previous tree right here, the scale, shift D, duplicate, and we must change the scale. Wait guys, I'm gonna zoom in just to show you. Fuck my mouse. Now from the scale we're gonna change this to snap right here, and I'm gonna connect this vector to this white texture noise or whatever it's called. Now I'm gonna connect my scale that I duplicate to my snap that I create right here, and I'm gonna set the value to 1 on every direction. Yes, 1 1 1. Follow those steps guys, it's working. Now we must duplicate, wait guys, this gradient dot. So shift D, duplicate this, and just basically connect this. This is gonna be our threshold. With this we're gonna control the roughness on the second color on our tiles. This is not render view guys, this is just this view, okay? So it's gonna look better with good lighting and wherever. So we duplicate this gradient dot, and we must duplicate this mixed color. So shift D and duplicate this color and connect this to the factor and change whatever color you want. I'm gonna change maybe to this color, why not? And basically just connect this mix RGB to the second color right here, and nothing's happened because you can control the threshold, and you can change right here from 3D to 4D, and you can control the roughness on the second color, as you can see on these tiles. Yes, on those tiles, fuck my English. So you can control, it's like Tetris. But if you're gonna change to the 4D, it's gonna be different result. Yes, as you can see, different roughness, and of course you can add more nodes to have more control of this second color, but I'm not gonna do this. So basically this is the tree. If you follow those steps, this is the shader, and yeah, congratulations, we're gonna create on the next tutorial from this the shader. And as you can see, I controlling this stuff, the roughness on the second color, and we created a bump with this RGB curve and the roughness, and you get it, this kind of shit. And you can, you know, change the color whatever you want. And maybe I'm gonna show you, I hope my PC not gonna break. Wait guys, I'm gonna turn this and add some stupid light. As you can see, we created this kind of